In this video, we're diving into the truth behind MaxCharge, an alleged revolutionary fast charger that claims to fully charge your phone in just 10 minutes and charge up to 4 devices simultaneously without any slowdown. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, after researching the product, reading real customer reviews, and checking what's actually inside the box, here's what I found. First, let's talk about those bold claims. While the idea of charging your phone in 10 minutes is tempting, most phones can't handle that kind of power unless you're using specialized equipment, and even then, it's a stretch. So, calling it a fully charged in 10 minutes solution feels more like clever marketing than a realistic promise. The multi-device charging feature also raises some red flags. When you plug in multiple devices, most chargers split the power across the ports, which means it's not going to charge each device at its maximum potential. Expect slower charging times if you're using all 4 ports. The real kicker? This isn't some cutting-edge technology. It's essentially a rebranded product that's already available on sites like Amazon and Temu for a fraction of the price, which makes the exclusive claims a bit misleading. On top of that, the negative customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot highlight issues with performance, lack of instructions, and misleading marketing. In conclusion, while the MaxCharge isn't a total scam, it's certainly not the miracle gadget the ads promise. If you're looking for fast charging, you can find better options elsewhere without falling for the flashy marketing. Don't let those countdown timers and limited time discounts rush your decision. Do your research and see if this product is really worth it for you.